Hello! Alright, so you're in Google Classroom, and what you're going to focus on is everything under this topic, final, summative, and exploration. So this is what you're going to look at first, then this is where your final summative is, and these last four things right here are your different exploration boards that you have available. First thing you'll do is click under Look Here First, Final 2 Weeks. It will bring you to this slideshow. So you are going to use this slide right here to guide you through week 16 and 17, so our 4-day week, the week you have to do your final summative, and then our last 5-day week, week 17, which is a flex week for you to do whatever you need to do to end the year in a good place. So first, you have things that you must do. Second, things that you must do. And third, things that you have the option of doing. So the first things are the summative and your preparedness. Second is making sure that your work is completed. Third is the exploration choice boards that you have the options for, which are found under the same topic in Google Classroom. Next, you will click right here under the second one for Global Studies Final Summative. It has some brief directions, and it also will bring you to this slideshow. So this is your final summative. The skill that we are working on is to manage my responsibilities in my learning. The goal of this is to demonstrate proficiency on the skills associated with at least 3 summative assessments, so at least 3, and upload evidence of your proficiency to your PLP and or mastery transcript. So you are looking at your summatives, seeing your proficiency level, and uploading evidence of that to your PLP, your mastery transcript, or both of them. So that is your goal, to be proficient at this skill. I can use resources to set and reach goals with minimal assistance. So if you can do this and you don't need me to walk you through every step of the way or hold your hand and you upload the evidence, you find the evidence, you upload it, you're proficient. If you do it and you're really self-directed in it, exemplary. Congratulations. This is a direction slide, so kind of directs you of how to find out what your proficiency level is through PowerSchool. Walks you through it step by step. It tells you what to do with this slideshow, so you're going to label each summative with the proficiency badge. You are going to upload your evidence to PLP or mastery transcript, and then you're going to, in the slideshow, provide proof of that upload, and then you're going to submit this presentation to the Google Classroom assignment when you're done. This is a slide that goes over what to do if you are missing summatives or are not proficient on a summative, step by step. I'm not going to go through this one. This one reminds you or helps you see how to upload or attach evidence. The first box is if it's digital work and it is a link, how to do it. If it's digital work but it's a screenshot, so say that you did a Google drawing or something like that. And lastly, if you did something on paper, how to upload that evidence. This part right here is a table that you're going to use. So these are all of our summatives: Country Jigsaw, Identity Journal, Global Goal Jigsaw, Global Goal Dictionary, and your Inquiry Project. The second column is a place to put your proficiency badge. So on the following slide, there are 3 stars that you're going to use. You're going to copy and paste. This third column is proof of inclusion on PLP or MTC. So where you put the link to your evidence, where you put the screenshot, show me something that shows that your Country Jigsaw or your Identity Journal or your Global Goal Jigsaw are in your PLP or on your mastery transcript. This slide right here is your proficiency badges slide. So if you were developing /proficient, you'll use this kind of orangey star, and what you'll do is you'll highlight it, you'll copy it, you'll go up to our table and say this was on your Identity Journal. So you're going to paste, you're going to drag it down, boom. And then we'll go back. We'll say we're going to look for your global goal jigsaw. So you go back to here and you're like, oh, I did really, really well on that. I really have that skill down. I was exemplary. So you're going to highlight this gold star. You're going to copy. You're going to go back to your slide. You're going to paste. And then you're going to drag it down to global goal jigsaw. So you'll go through that for all of your summatives. You'll notice that all of your badges are still there. And then this third column again is where you put the link to prove that your summatives are in your PLP and or your mastery transcript. This PLP is an MTC slideshow is also linked on Google Classroom under the same Global Studies Final Summative. What it does is it's just a resource that you can use to help work through uploading evidence to your mastery transcript, since it's something that we're really not that familiar with at this point. So this is what Maggie had used with us in 9th grade academy, but it just goes through the process of kind of what the mastery transcript is, compares it to PLP, but then there are slides 7, 8, 9, 10, it keeps going, that have videos that show you how to prepare, upload, get evidence, attach a credit, things like that. So this is a resource that you can use in uploading things to your mastery transcript. So once you have done your Global Studies Final Summative and you're good to go, again, this is where you're going to submit it. It's due on Friday, June 4th. You have both of your in-person days to do it. You also have your remote days to do it, but you will be able to accomplish this goal and work through this process in your 2 in-person days. This is where you'll submit it. And then don't forget, you have preparedness number 5 that you will need to do as well. Preparedness number 5 is solely about our 4-day week, solely about working through this process of the Global Studies Final Summative.